So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side and welcome to Morning Market Brief. First of all, we'll look at the SGX. So here market is showing a bit gap down opening, right, of approximately 35 points. Right now market is trading near 16,690. Okay. It had made low of 16,635 around, right? Now let's see what is happening in the technical charts. So the oscillator indicates that the bullish sign is still intact and market has reached our resistance level that we have earlier discussed, right? And there's a small gap down opening now. So even though the gap down opening is there, but the trend looks intact and still positive, right? Okay. If you look at the OI, since 15th of July, I think we haven't seen any red bar. So it's all looks positive, right? And it's short covering and long built up move specifically we have seen in these days, right? Okay. The trend is still positive for Nifty, right? Now for 28th July expiry, we see 17,000 is where we are facing the resistance. That is the highest call option. And on the lower side, anyhow 16,500 is the support, right? So these are the two levels, the 500 points range that we can look for this expiry, right? Okay. On the higher side, if market breaks 16,800, it can easily reach to 17,000 after that, right? Okay. And anyhow, if market falls further, so it can come to 16,500. That is a support that we have. Okay. Now coming back to Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, we have seen that it's still intact, it's still positive. Okay. So on the higher side, 37,000 is the immediate resistance that we face. So that is the level. And above that, so it's a range 37,000 and 37,200 is the where market is facing resistance. So it has to break these two levels, right? Then it will move up. And any dip towards 36,000 a good buying opportunity. So that's a level. Now let's check Bank Nifty. So good longs. Okay, so no problem in Bank Nifty assets. So we have seen very less of shorts since the start of July. So July month, private banks is still continuously positive, right? Okay, so good. Okay, on the higher side, 37,000, lower side, 36,500 and 36,000. So look out for these levels to trade. Okay. Now let's go for contribution last week. So if we see the whole last week, then market has moved almost by 4%. And if you go and check, the major contributor was private bank, IT, and then you can see oil also. Then just the pharma is a bit negative and every sector is contributing positive on Nifty, right? And if you just check for the last Friday, so market did move approximately 1% up. So then private banks again contributing mostly, right? Okay. And IT on the negative side. Okay. Now let's go and check some stocks. So we can simply go and find from the trap indicator. Okay. So private bank looks positive. So HDFC Bank is there. So we'll go with this. So it is trading near the 1400, right? So HDFC Bank is trading near the resistance. So good structure also. And it is very near to breaking up the 60 level. So it might turn bullish after it. So this looks good. The structure looks good for HDFC Bank. And there is a trend line breakout also happening here. Just create this. So let me extend it. So it's on the verge of a breakout, kind of a symmetrical triangle pattern is forming in this. So any breakout above that will take it to 1450 at least, and then 1480. That could be the further level. Stock looks positive. Now let's see HDFC Bank. So it was short and short covering, but yesterday we have seen a good long build up coming up. Okay. So let's see how the stock behaved. Okay. As of now, no great sign from the OI, right? Okay, so 1400 is a call where we have this is the highest call, and we have seen already unwinding started happening, and unwinding is happening across all the strike prices. We are entering into the last week of expiry, so might be good move we can see. So anyhow, we can anticipate even 1500 if the stocks try to move further. So SDFC Bank looks further. Any dips could be good buying opportunity in this, right? And let's see. Cement stocks looks positive, so we'll go with ACC also. So, ACC. Okay, so it's on the verge of breakout. Okay, so ACC looks good. It's trading above the 20 days EMA also. So the trend looks positive. Okay. And yes, we have some long buildups in the previous session. So that's okay. So we need a breakout above 2200 level anyhow. So ACC. Okay, so ACC is trading at exactly at 2200 near. And that's a good addition happened yesterday in the last trading session. So if the stock moves further and unwinding started happening in this call option, stock might move very easily on the higher side. We can easily anticipate 2250 and 2260 levels on the higher side, and further after that 2300. Okay, and on the lower side 2160 could be good support for the stock, right? So both stock looks positive. So ACC and SDFC Bank. Okay. Now let's see ban list. Okay, so India Bulls Housing Finance just entered into ban list, Delta Corp, okay, and RBL Bank. So could be a possible exit because its MWPL is very near 80%. So if that drops below 80%, the RBL Bank will be out of the ban list. Now let's take a quick look on the results today. Okay, so you might have received the notification also, but good stocks, Tech Mahindra, Axis Bank, Canara Bank, IEX and Tata Steel, these stocks are going to declare the results today. Okay. Keep an eye on these stocks also, right? Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.